it's Joanne from joannesmintmarketing.com, and I'm just going to put this little tutorial together for you today to show you how you can create a Instagram post which has a nice picture on the background, professional looking picture, and a saying, and brand it with your logo and website address. So you're doing four things here. You're branding with your logo, you're giving them the website address if they want to follow up on your branding, a nice saying, a funny saying or a famous saying, and a professional looking photograph in the background. So this will instill people to leave comments and interact with your post, and hopefully go and look at your bio and profile to go and visit the page you want them to go to. So I find that these sort of Instagram posts do get a lot of likes, and let's go and show you how to do the tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is find a phrase or a saying, and that's pretty easy. Just go to Google and type in like funny sayings, and you can see if you go down to the list on the Google, you have like 50 short funny sayings, 231 funny sayings that guarantee to make your day a little bit better, I'm assuming. Let's click on that. Well, you can use any of these sayings in your quote. I'm going to use this one here, 300 funny quotes to make you laugh out loud. Okay, and so these are the saying. Let's have a look. Best thing about the future is that it comes one day at a time. Abraham Lincoln. Well, it's a pretty apt saying. So this is the text we will use, but the first thing we need to do is find a picture that relates to that saying. So we can look at the keywords: future, one day at a time. So I would look at something at a time, have a look at something to do with watches, time. Just copy the key phrase and pop over to a website called pixabay.com. You can type in the keyword into this website, and you can use any photograph that pops up for free. These are professional looking photographs. They're put up by the users, and they are free for you to use. You can't sell them, but you can use them for your own use. So these are good ones to use on Instagram. Let's have a look. You want something that sort of it's nice and bright and colorful and pop off the page. This clock is central, so if we're putting text on, we want to think about the layer of the text. It's usually to the left. If you go back and look at the Instagram photograph, you usually have the text sort of to the left of the photo. So you want the watch to not be so central, more to the right of the page. Let's see. And also, Instagram is square, so you want to look at something a little, not so landscape, but more squarish. There's so many to choose from. Let me see. Let's have a look. I almost use this one here. So you click on it. Free download. You don't want to use we used this, not the small one, but the second one, 1028. It's a good quality. Download. Yeah. Now Canva is where you create the graphic image, and all you have to do is click on Instagram post. Just need to upload the file, upload an image, navigate to the download folder, drag it into the interface, you can see it's a square orientation, so we don't. You can use what you think is best. Okay, we'll probably bring the big clock to the right. Now that's the background, the image. The next thing you need to do is put a square box over the top, a text box. So we can use the square one, and then make sure it is black, and then we just reduce the transparency to about there. We grab our text. And move the text up onto the page. Then we go back to our sayings. We grab the saying. Let's copy it. Then click on the text. And probably just make sure at a time. Make it white. Increase the font size. Might justification to the left. Make it a bit bigger. Now we should always put in, if possible, we said it. You have to give the credit. At a click on it and make it bigger. Change color to white. Again. Now the other thing to do is to well, in this case, I actually might change your mind. I might push this towards the center, not to the left. This is what graphic design is all about. When you sort of look at it, you can align it. Now, the other thing to do is put in a colorful. I always put to brand it. Let's go to the background. Let's put in my brand. To my uploads. Upload my logo. Let's go to my pictures. My logo is here. Resize it. You can use the up and down arrows to move things around as well. So let's grab the little and what we can do as well, we can just grab some more text and we can color it in. www.com. Put my website address. I'm going to reduce that so it fits. And put it down there. Now, if you can see that's. I always put capitals. When you have words in your domain name, it's best to put in capitals so they can actually see it's 3 words. JoanneSmithMarketing.com. Now you can see it's hard to read in the background. So to fix that, we can add another box. Let's go to the boxes here. out a bit. And we can change that to black. And the position, bring it to the top. Send it backwards. I might change the text to white. Centers. Okay, so we have my logo, my website, we have the background, we have the saying, and we have the credit of who said it. Everything's related. We have a saying. It might increase. Let's click on the box. And increase it, slightly increase it, the background opacity, just so we can see the text a bit better. Okay, and then we have a look at it. Everything is okay, and we then save it. Give it a name. Instagram post. There we go, file save. Download. And it's downloading to your hard drive, the download folder. Okay, let's pop over to my Instagram account and let's see if what's happened since I posted it. Oh, it already has 1 like 3 minutes ago. So people are starting to respond already. So that's how you create a custom branded Instagram image that looks professional, has a professional looking background, has a saying or quote that people like to respond to, and is branded with your logo and your website address so people can go and find out more about you. So it is to entice people to come look at your website. It's a branding exercise using quotations. Okay, well that's a little tutorial today for you. I hope you enjoyed it from JoanneSmithMarketing.com.